compound probability is probability problems that contain the word or sorry, the and, or the word or, one or the other. Probability of A or B. These are problems where the goal is to obtain a successful outcome for at least one of the given events. So the probability of A or B is the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B of both things occurring. This formula is sometimes called the addition formula. So roll of a die. A single die is rolled, I should say not on time, but one time. Determine the probability of rolling a 2 or a 5. So the probability of rolling a 2 or a 5 is the probability of a 2 plus the probability of a 5 minus the probability of a 2 and a 5. Now the probability of a 2, that's 1 out of 6. Probability of a 5 is also 1 out of 6. Now it's not possible to get a 2 and a 5. You cannot roll a 2 and a 5 at the same time. So that's 0 out of 6. So it's 2/6, which is 1/3. How about the probability of an odd number or a number greater than 4? So probability of odd or greater than 4, that's going to be the probability of an odd plus the probability of a number greater than 4 minus the probability of an odd and a number greater than 4. So how many odds are there? There are 3 out of 6 odds. How many numbers are bigger than 4? 2 out of 6 numbers are bigger than 4. Then how many are odd and bigger than 4? Just one thing, that's 5. So 1 out of 6. 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 1 is 4 over 6, which is 2/3. How about a number greater than 4 or less than 2? Probability of greater than 4 or less than 2. That's a greater than symbol, less than symbol. That's going to be the probability of a number greater than 4 plus the probability of a number less than 2 minus the probability of a number greater than 4 and less than 2. Now the probability of a number greater than 4. There are 2 out of 6 numbers like that. Less than 2, there's just one thing, that's number 1. And there's no number that's going to be both bigger than 4 and less than 2. This is 3/6, which is 1/2. Okay. I'm going to need to scroll this up, so pause that if you'd like to pause there. How about a number greater than 3 or less than 5? That's the probability of a number greater than 3 plus the probability of a number less than 5 minus the probability of a number both greater than 3 and less than 5. Okay, there are 3 numbers bigger than 3 out of the 6. There's 4 numbers less than 5 out of 6, and there's 1 number bigger than 3 and less than 5. That's number 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7, minus 1 is 6 over 6, which is 1. So you're guaranteed to roll a die, when you roll a die, to get a number bigger than 3 or less than 5.